Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I thought I would take you along with me while I do a quick 20-minute tidy. I'm mostly focusing on the kitchen and the living room because those are the areas we spend the most time in. So as you can see, we just started recycling, so I'm taking that out. And I did do other rooms, but my phone dies after like 20 minutes. So all I can share with you is the 20-minute tidy. But hopefully this is motivating to you and inspires you to get some stuff done in your own house. So I will go ahead and put on some music for you guys to enjoy, and I'll talk to you later.
Perfect.